Should you steer with one hand when you're doing a driving assessment? Is it safe? Do people do it in everyday life when they get their license? In the driving test, you will lose points if you palm steering. So this is what we call palming. Is it safe? Can you do it? Yes, 100%. So, we've got obviously power steering and, hydraulics do all of this. But in the test, it's not permitted to do this, okay? It's one of the rules that they never changed since hydraulics became standard. Hydraulics is power steering, so it's very easy to do. Back in the 70s and 80s, the cars were with just a normal mechanical steering wheels, but obviously today we can do it effortlessly like this. Now, if you do your driving assessment, avoid doing that, except when you change gears, when you're doing manual transmission. So obviously at times you will have to take your left hand off and change gears. So are there any other times when it's acceptable to steer or control your car with one hand? If you're going straight, so there's no active turning, clearly if you're using your windscreen wipers, your air conditioning, or any other controls for that matter, you can take one hand off steering wheel, okay? Most of the time we would keep both hands on the steering wheel. It's just a requirement to score enough points. How difficult it is to steer with one hand, it's not difficult at all. And you can try it in controlled environment, where if you're inexperienced, and basically would press onto the steering wheel while you're steering. So it's pretty effortless if you ask me. But like I said, since hydraulics became standard, they never changed that. A lot of things will change soon because technology is going at a fast pace, and nowadays we even have cars with the push start button and button handbrake. So even up until recently, they used to knock back cars. They used to decline vehicles with reverse camera. So that's no longer the case. Nowadays you can turn up with the reverse camera, and in fact you're not going to be you're not going to lose points for using reverse camera. Now, in saying that, you've got to understand that you shouldn't overuse the reverse camera, because we still have people complaining how they failed, how not to overuse your reverse camera. So combine all the available windows and mirrors, and that way it's definitely going to be the safest way to reverse, because like I said many times, human beings never do anything backwards. So maybe backstroke swimming. Check our video on posture when you're reversing, how you need to look around, how you need to combine. If you've got a reverse camera, you've got to check all of the available windows, and to understand that that's the only way to do it properly, to ensure that nothing slips your ride. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.